this is a regular customer of ours. We probably clean her vehicle once a month, Aaron, I think. And this is the kind of shape it gets in a month. So she called us in to wipe it out. It's pretty good this time. But this floor mat saver and having the leather seats helps a bunch. So we're gonna go through this thing and clean her up. So normally we start in the back. The back's really bad, so we're gonna start up here. What'd you say, bud? These are the jobs that make you wonder, what was I thinking when I decided to do this? Yeah. These are rough. I'm gonna have to steam. We're gonna have to steam clean this whole frame. That's what we do. I like how the new GoPro has a flashing red light on the front right over the screen so you can tell if it's recording or not. That's pretty cool. So much more room for activity. Oh, look, so much crap just fell out of that when I moved. Let's see if I can get room for activities. I'm on activities. What'd you do? Hold this lever right here. I don't have that lever. I never have that lever. How come I never have that lever? I want that lever. He always gets the easy side. Oh, this back of this seat. I'm fixing to fling stuff everywhere on this seat. So my question today, how do you guys advertise? You know, word of mouth goes pretty good ways, but do you do social media? Do you hit all the social medias, Twitter, TikTok? We don't usually use YouTube for advertising. As far as, am I going to get customers from YouTube? Probably not. But we do like to use YouTube to show people our work, our before and after in the process. We like to advertise on Facebook. Facebook Marketplace is a really good place if it's local to your area. We advertise on Instagram. I don't think we've gotten anybody from Instagram as far as I know. Most of our stuff comes from Facebook and word of mouth. We don't put out flyers. We hand out a lot of cards. At the beginning, we didn't think business cards were gonna work. Hardly anybody asks for business cards anymore. But they seem to be, we've already went through 250 and I just ordered another 500 and we're going through those pretty quick. So business cards do work pretty good. We like signs, the little yard signs. You can set those out in a subdivision and you'll get a lot of calls off of those. And those signs work really well, really well. But other than that, we don't use Twitter because it's not as local as you'd like to be. But how do you guys market? Let us know in the comments below what you guys think about marketing. So we have our business cards, and this is the front. It's got our stuff on it. But on the back, we have a loyalty card. So this is a way to get them to keep coming back for routine customers. We've got, after 4 washes, they get a 25% off, and after 10 washes, they get a free one. This is a good way for your maintenance clients to feel like they're earning something back from paying the fee, and it's a good concept. Works really well for us. And these are our signs. We put these out in subdivisions and printed both sides. I think we got these made for about $5 a sign. I order 10 at a time, printed both sides. They come pre-cut, and it's not vinyl. It's printed on the. It's actually printed on the sign. But we get those done. We set them out, and we have good luck out of these for advertising also. You get a cheeseburger, huh?
Yeah.
Turn the opposite direction. What you would normally turn that thing.
Y'all know why it won't go down, it ain't.
Here, take this, see if it'll go down in it or it down in it.
It just goes a little bit at a time.
I don't know. And you turn it off?
No.
Is it sucking? It gone?
It's in there, but it ain't taking up the hose. Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Oh, cow.
Oh, yeah. That help any at all?
Hold it right there. Down a little bit more.
So sometimes you gotta work it from every angle. I think I see a chicken nugget. Oh man.
Oh my goodness. That better not be a hot dog.
Oh, I got a chicken nugget over here on this side.
What is that? Is that a hot dog?
That I ain't real sure. Taste it and see. Oh, it's a pancake. Yeah, right there in the corner. I got. There, you got it. It's like aluminum foil wrap. It gone. Flour. So Aaron's working on the mats. He ain't doing a very good job. I'm gonna have to fire him. But this is after our initial, after we've gone through and done our initial vacuums, what we look like. Looks pretty good. He's got broken pieces laying over here. I don't even know what he's doing. You know what you're doing, boy. Well, I guess that's where that piece goes. But the floors look much better. We got all the crud out of the seats. Looking good. Looking better, looking better. Looking better. So now, you can see we got the front looking pretty good. Got some explosions on the door we have to take care of. Look like some aftermath of a big food fight or something. And we got the steamer. Steamer is warming up. Tik-Tok steamer. Tik-Tok. And we got, there's the rubber mats, some inserts, and we'll have to shampoo that real good, get that up. The steamer usually cleans all this up really good. Just takes a little bit of time. But we really like these because, come here where you can see me. This is good advertising. This is good before after stuff. So if you get these things, make sure you take pictures, at least if you're not videoing, take pictures of your befores and then take pictures of your afters, because this is what sells you. This shows the work you can do in worst conditions. Worst conditions. Can you bring that back to looking like a brand new vehicle? So that's what's gonna sell you, man. That's the best advertising right there. So as the steamer heats up, we're gonna start working on doors and stuff. And then I'll knock these seats out. And then we'll shampoo and such. Beep.
Talk to Jordan, any?
I haven't talked to Jordan in a long time. Jordan, we're gonna give you a shout out on a video. Better call us. I know he watches videos, but I haven't talked to him since he changed companies.
Yeah. There was only one's coming out, so.
Yeah. You know what really makes me angry is I come over here and started cleaning and I didn't grab the first rag. Why you let me do stuff like that? You see, I'm gonna have to fire him. He won't keep up with me at all.
I'm looking for new partners that remember to bring rags when they're trying to clean.
You ain't hiring, boy? Ready to go. Just getting some cleaner on there. Plastic and vinyl cleaner. Mix just to get some of that stuff starting to break down. And then always purge outside. Okay. So, there you have nice clean seat, 2 dirty seats. So, there we go. Ow, ow. You done to me in there. He's trying to pinch my leg in the seat.
Try to get up there where I can work.
Well, it's a tight spot.
You got mud all over the seat.
Well, I didn't until you crunched my leg in there.
Whatever, boy. Don't be blaming me.
Blaming you. This is our interior cleaner. It's good for all surfaces. It's got our W, our SO, and our SC in it mixed up. If you want to know what that is, message me. Let me know. So now I've sprayed some of that on there good. I'll switch my tip out. Go back to the wide tip. Get rid of my water. One thing we don't have is a road sign to set out on these roads when we're at people's houses. And we looked into them, and they're kind of expensive. I do have advertising on the side of the van, so we haven't really seen that there's a need for a sign on the road yet, but let us know in the comments if you think you need a sign or not. Ooh, sorry about that. So, me and Aaron, where'd you go, GoPro? You took off. So, we're talking about opening up a shop to do, because our other business is wrapping vehicles. We wrap vehicles, detail vehicles, that kind of thing. And our question is, what things would you do besides just detailing vehicles and wrapping? Because we wrap a lot of boats and cars, so it's just not full-time here, so we have to get other, we doing detailing work also. So what other, if we were to build a building and was going to have a building where they could also drop off their cars to be detailed, we still have the mobile detail, and we wrap vehicles and boats. What else would you get into? Would you do signs also, since you're already dealing with the vinyl and that kind of thing? And location, how important is location to any business? I think is crucial. You can't set up a shop out in the country somewhere and with no traffic coming by and expect to get business. So I think being in a high traffic area is key, but now you're talking, you know, $1 million property trying to and there's nothing pre-made already that would work for us. So we've been thinking about going to the bank and talking about having a building built. There's a lot right in front of Lowe's where we live in prime property, but it's probably got a prime price attached to it. Tell us, what would you do if you were wanting to start a business? You're already detailed and you already wrap. What else would you do? Let us know. Alright guys, so now we're all cleaned up, put back together. Door, there's your seats. Looking much better. Floorboard. And here's the kicker right here. Look at that board, look at that. Nice and pretty. Everybody, milk's gone. Everything. The fronts weren't as bad as the backs, but got them all cleaned up. Good. Good, good.